Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hit the like button, hit the subscribe so you'll get notification on the next time I upload videos. So let's get right into it. Today what I'm doing is making frying sweet ripe plantain. And I'm gonna cut this like in 3 different ways because there's different ways that you can cut the plantain. And you may notice on the plantain also there's some black spots all over it. That is perfectly normal. The riper the plantain gets, the darker these spots will get. You get several of these dark spots over, but the riper the plantain and the sweeter it will be. So that's not an issue. So we're going to start by cutting off the 2 ends. And we're just going to score it like this. You can do one side or you can do 2. Just lightly, just enough, to score the skin. It'll make it easier to come off. And then you just reach in, use your finger, and just peel it back. Very easy. So I'm going to cut this plantain in 3 because I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can slice it up. Since it's, it's a nice size plantain. The first way I'm going to do it, I love to slice it this way. And you don't need real thick slices. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to slice it. And depending on the size of your plantain, you can probably get maybe 3 slices out of this one because it's a bigger plantain. It's thick. I'm going to try to get 4. So first I'm going to slice it straight down the middle, and then I'm going to split each side in half. So it's like that. And then then you can slice them like that. Just nice little round slices. I'll just split that end in half. So basically, you have 3 different ways you can slice the plantain. Either one works fine, whichever you like. I'm just doing a combination of all of them. So now, guys, we're gonna get right into frying, and I'm using peanut oil, but you can use, any oil that you have. And we're just going to put this plantain in. Get your oil nice and hot before you start. You don't want it too hot, so kind of run on a medium. Medium heat should be good. So you just put them right in. We're just going to let them fry. We'll get a nice golden color. So we're just going to let that fry up. And this, this will take a few minutes to watch it. We'll turn it frequently so we get a nice golden color and don't get it burnt. And we'll just check frequently and turn them over so they don't burn. So you remove the cooked pieces, guys. You turn your fire down, reduce the heat, because it tend to cook a bit faster. There it is, guys. Fried sweet ripe plantain. They are delicious. Yes, guys, there you have it. Fried sweet ripe plantain. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.